Hi guys, it's me hajra.vadhariya. Welcome back to another video. So today we are creating this glam and gorgeous look using this amazing pretty Huda Beauty's new Mercury Retrograde Pallete. So this is the look that I created for my brother's Walima, and a lot of you guys wanted a tutorial, so it's finally here. I tried and managed to do exactly same, but I got thoda 19-20 ho gaya, so excuse me for that. So today we'll be using this gorgeous palette. This is the another palette that I gifted myself on my birthday, and I'm so happy that I got it. This is so worth it. This is so beautiful. I love everything in this palette. So first of all, this is how it looks. I'm going to show you guys. Super pretty. But if you guys have noticed or may not, I don't know, ये मुझे अभी पता लगा है कि मेरी दोनों eyebrows इस पूरी वीडियो में बिल्कुल भी आइडेंटिकल नहीं लग रही हैं ऑन कैमरा. पता नहीं मैंने नोटिस किया था या नहीं, आपने नोटिस किया या नहीं, बट नहीं लग रही हैं सेम ऑन कैमरा, विच आई जस्ट नोटिस. सो just ignore that fact. Coming back to the gorgeous palette, oh my god, this is so satisfying. So I love this mirror. I love the color, so pretty, and I'm so excited to use these. So if you want to see how I created this look, right here, boom. So if you want to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. And yeah, I hope you guys will like it. If you do, give it a fat thumbs up. Also comment down below, follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that is pretty much it. Let's get started. So here's the final look. I personally love it. If you guys like it, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I hope you guys like it and love it as much as I do. I tried my best to create the closest that I created for my brother's walima. So yeah, that is it. If you like it, thanks a lot. Keep giving me your love and support. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye, and I love you all.